Planning a move in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Whether you're relocating locally or moving from afar, choosing the right full-service moving company is crucial. Today we'll guide you through essential tips for a seamless move, featuring insights from 3 movers. Fayetteville, known for its rich history and proximity to Fort Bragg, presents unique moving challenges. From navigating military regulations to managing high humidity, a full-service moving company can make your transition smoother. Full-service moving encompasses packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, furniture disassembly and reassembly, transportation, temporary storage solutions. Costs for full-service moves in Fayetteville typically range from $1,200 to $2,800 for 2 3-bedroom homes, including packing, loading, and unpacking. Factors influencing cost include volume of items, distance of the move, building accessibility, time of year. 3 Mover stands out with over 160 hours spent vetting shippers, ensuring you receive transparent pricing from already vetted carriers. They offer background-checked, DOT licensed, and insured crews, no deposit required until your full-service team is confirmed, a scratch-free guarantee. Preparation is key. Book your moving company 3-6 months in advance. Declutter and donate unwanted items. Label boxes by room. Reserve elevators and parking permits if needed. Choosing the right full-service moving company in Fayetteville can make all the difference. For a seamless moving experience, consider 3 Movers. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your moving experiences in the comments below.